You want to be your own boss? Imagine waking up every day with the freedom to choose your own path, to set your own schedule, and to work on projects that truly excite you. Social media management could be your ticket. It's a booming business. Everyone's online, right? From small local shops to large corporations, everyone needs a strong online presence to thrive in today's digital age. Businesses need help navigating the digital world. They need experts who can guide them through the complexities of social media algorithms, content creation, and audience engagement. That's where you come in. With your skills and passion for social media, you can offer valuable services that help businesses grow and succeed. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hustle. You'll need to put in the hours, learn continuously, and adapt to ever-changing trends. But the payoff? Being your own boss, setting your own hours, and doing what you love. Imagine working from a beach, a cozy cafe, or even your own home office. Plus, the earning potential is huge. As you build your reputation and client base, your income can grow exponentially. Think about it. You're good at social media. You spend hours on it every day. Understanding the nuances and trends, you understand how it works. You know what content gets engagement, what times are best to post, and how to interact with followers. Turn that passion into profit. Use your knowledge to help businesses reach their goals while achieving your own dreams. Help businesses grow their online presence and watch your own business thrive. The hustle is real, but so are the rewards. Ready to dive in? First, find your niche. This is the foundation of your journey. Think about what you are passionate about and where your expertise lies. It could be anything from digital marketing to eco-friendly products. The key is to choose something you are genuinely interested in, as this will keep you motivated in the long run. What industry do you know best? Focus on that. Your existing knowledge will give you a competitive edge. Research the market, understand the trends, and identify the gaps you can fill. This will help you position yourself effectively. Next, build your online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial. Start by creating a professional website that showcases your skills and services. Make sure it is user-friendly and visually appealing. Create a website, optimize your LinkedIn profile, show off your expertise, use social media platforms to connect with your audience, share valuable content, engage with your followers, and build a community around your brand. A business plan is key. It serves as a roadmap for your business. Outline your goals, strategies, and the steps you need to take to achieve them. This will help you stay focused and organized. Outline your services, pricing, and how you'll find clients. Don't skip this step. A well-thought-out business plan can make the difference between success and failure. It will also help you secure funding if needed. It's the foundation of your business. Without a solid plan, you may find yourself lost and directionless. Take the time to do it right. Once you're set up, start networking. Attend industry events. Networking is a powerful tool for growing your business. It allows you to meet potential clients, partners, and mentors who can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Connect with potential clients online. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and industry-specific forums to reach out to your target audience. Be proactive in your approach and build meaningful relationships. Remember, you're not just selling social media management, you're selling yourself. Your personal brand is just as important as your business brand. Be authentic, professional, and approachable. This will help you build trust and credibility with your clients. Landing your first few clients can be tough. It can feel like an uphill battle, but don't get discouraged. Every successful business owner has been in your shoes at some point. The key is to start small and build your way up. Start by offering free audits. This is a great way to get your foot in the door and show potential clients what you can do. By providing value up front, you demonstrate your expertise and build trust. Show businesses what they're doing wrong and how you can fix it. Word of mouth is powerful. When you help someone improve their business, they're likely to tell others about you. This can lead to more opportunities and referrals. Ask friends and family to spread the word. They can be your biggest supporters and help you reach a wider audience. Don't underestimate the power of your personal network. Don't be afraid to reach out to businesses directly. Sometimes a personal touch can make all the difference. Introduce yourself, explain what you do, and offer to help them with a specific problem they're facing. Show them your passion and expertise. People are drawn to those who are enthusiastic and knowledgeable about their field. Let your passion shine through in your interactions. Offer competitive pricing to get your foot in the door. While you don't want to undervalue your services, being flexible with your pricing can help you secure those crucial first clients. Remember, results speak louder than words. Delivering tangible results will build your reputation and encourage clients to continue working with you. Over-deliver for your first few clients. Going above and beyond will leave a lasting impression and can lead to long-term relationships. Impress them, and they'll become your biggest advocates. Happy clients will not only return, but will also recommend you to others, helping you grow your business organically. Section 4. Tools of the trade: your social media arsenal. The right tools make all the difference. Scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer save you time. Canva helps you create stunning graphics. Google Analytics tracks your progress. There are tons of free and affordable options available. Don't break the bank. Start small and invest as you grow. Remember, tools are just tools. Your creativity and strategic thinking are what will set you apart. Use these tools to amplify your skills. Section 5. You got this. Starting any business is scary, but trust me, the rewards are worth it. The social media world is your oyster. You have the power to build something amazing. Remember why you started. Stay passionate, stay consistent, and never stop learning. The world of social media is constantly evolving. Embrace the challenge, adapt and grow. You got this.